online application of police clearance and what are the requirements. What is police clearance? A national police clearance essentially certifies that the holder has no criminal or any otherwise derogatory record based on the Philippine National Police or PNP database. The document is often among the pre-employment requirements applicants are required to submit. In some cases, such as in applications for credit cards sa National Bureau of Investigation clearance, it is honored as a valid ID. However, this does not apply when it comes to COMELEC, voters registration, and the Department of Foreign Affairs passport, renewal or application. The document is valid for 6 months upon issuance. Police clearance requirements. To apply for a police clearance, you need to present 2 valid IDs. This can be any of the following: birth certificate, driver's license, SSS ID or UMID ID, passport, TIN ID, voter's ID, school ID with registration form, PRC ID, postal ID, senior citizen ID, OFW ID, GSIS ID, PhilHealth ID, and alien certificate registration. The 2 ID presented should be original and no photocopied, not be expired, bears the applicant's complete name, clear photo, and signature. Note, if you only have 1 valid ID, you can present this along with a certified true copy of your birth certificate with original official receipt. The police clearance fee is 160 pesos. How to apply for a police clearance online. In August of 2018, the PNP launched the National Police Clearance System, or NPCS, an online service that allows Filipinos nationwide to secure a police clearance in just 10 minutes. However, applicants will still have to make a personal at the police station to register their biometrics. Here's how to go about applying online. Step 1. Register for an online account. First, you have to visit pnpclearance.ph. If you're a first-time applicant, click the Register button and agree to the terms and conditions. After checking the boxes, the agreements, the privacy policy, click on the Next button. Until you reach the last page where the Agree button is. You have to click the Agree. Input all the required information in the new applicant registration box. Once you check the terms and conditions box, click the register button. You'll then receive a confirmation email from the NPCS. If you can't find the email in your inbox, check your spam folder. The email will contain a link to verify your account. When you click the verification link, you'll be taken to the login page of the NPCS website. Step 2. Set an appointment. Sign in to your account using your registered email address. Just click the login. It's important to note that before you can set an appointment, you need to edit your profile first. Click the Edit Profile button and accomplish the online form. When you're done, click the Save Profile button. Then, click the Clearance Application button. Select the police station closest to you. Then, choose from the list of available schedules. The blue color is indicated that the slots are free. Then click Next. Click the Land Bank of the Philippines button, then Save Appointment. In order to save the appointment, you have to click the Next button. After that, this will show you the payment details. Take note of the reference number provided, as this will be used for the police clearance fee payment. Step 3. Pay for the police clearance. Click the Pay to Land Bank button. This will take you to the LBP e-payment portal. You can pay the fee using Land Bank, GCash, and BankNet account. There's no other mode of payment. Step 4. Go to your selected police station. On your scheduled appointment, you'll need to bring 2 valid IDs, reference number, and official receipt of police clearance payment. Once there, you'll have your biometrics captured along with your photo, fingerprints, and digital signature. Then, you'll need to wait a few minutes as the police officer verifies your records in the PNP database. Should your name get a hit, you'll need to undergo another verification process. Once you get through that, you can claim your police clearance. Facts. Question: how soon do I need to pay the police clearance fee? Answer: you need to pay the fee within 2 banking days. Otherwise, your transaction will be cancelled. Another question: if I already paid and want to cancel my transaction, can I get a refund? The answer is a big no. And lastly, what happens if I cannot make it on my appointment date? Answer: you'll need to schedule and pay again, as both the appointment and the payment are forfeited.
Thank you. Thank you. Tomo arigato.
Thank you.
No, they do.